god.
Dude, that looks freaking sick. Hey guys, welcome back. So we're on our way to the lake right now. We're in the Lake Moss. Here's my brother, he's driving. And he wants to go fishing, and I kind of want to take some pictures of the sky. It's going to be astrophotography, so it's kind of like long exposure, related to kind of like what we did for the last video, but it's going to be about stars. But hopefully the pictures turn out pretty cool. Hopefully he catches some food because we're hungry, and yeah.
Catch some.
And yeah. Alright guys, so we made it. We're at the lake right now, and we'll see if he can catch anything and if we can get any pictures going.
Catfish.
Alright, so we're out here. My brother's trying to fish. Throwing out the fishing thing. What do you call it?
Fishing pole.
With the fishing pole. Throwing out the fishing thing. But yeah, we gotta wait a little longer to take some pictures. It's gotta be kind of dark and it's a little cloudy. We want to get the stars in the pictures, so we'll see if it stays like this or if it gets a little better. Not too bad. And there goes. Get some fish. I'm hungry. We haven't eaten in 3 days. we need some food.
You haven't, I have.
Oh,
I was eating good.
yeah, it
KFC.
shows.
Yeah, oh shit.
It shows. Alright, so I took a test shot. You can see it somewhere over here. And the ISO, I had it at 160, I think, if I remember correctly. I had the ISO at 160. The aperture of the lens, I'm using a Sigma 16mm f1.4, but I had it at f6.3 for the shot. And then for the shutter speed, I don't have it connected to my phone yet. I just used the regular settings that it has, and I had it at 30 seconds. You can see the picture on the left side of it. You can see kind of a little bit of the stars, and on the right side it's a little brighter because of the sun was still out, but right now it's really dark, so I'm gonna try it again and see what we get. But yeah, I think it's kind of cool how you can see half of the picture has kind of stars on it, and the other half is a little brighter, so you can't really see them. So we'll try it again. Alright, so as you can see with the picture on the screen right now, I ended up raising the ISO a bit and then lowering the aperture on the lens because it's way darker out now. As you can see over here, can't even see anything anymore. But this is the perfect environment for these kind of pictures. I'm gonna see what else I can get. I'm gonna try take some more from different angles. Hopefully they come out just as good or maybe better, because that one looks pretty nice. Alright guys, that's it for tonight. We took some really cool pictures, as you can see on the screen right now. This one looks pretty cool. I like the way it came out. And then also this one right here. I moved the camera around, and you can see the water and the stars. The ISO, the shutter speed, and the aperture, I ended up switching it around. Just depending on what it looked better for you. If you want to try this, you can do it as well. Just make sure you kind of move the ISO, shutter speed, and the aperture around. For the aperture, you kind of want to have a low aperture, maybe like f1.4 or f2.8 or something around there, because it is pretty dark. The lens has to get a lot of light in. So if you try it, make sure you have that. For the ISO, I stayed around 100 to 200. And for the shutter speed, I had it at between 25 to 30 seconds. Right, as you can see, we have different clothes because yesterday, or 2 days ago, we tried to keep going, but it ended up being too cloudy. The stars were blocked, so we had to try it again a couple days after. So that's today. We also have something new. He's got it over there. I don't know if you can see it whenever he gets close. But we bought
the channel more interesting, guys.
we bought a drone, so you might see some of that in action next vlog.
Amen.
My hair looks crazy right now.
It does.
I don't know if you can see it, but it was pretty fun. There's gonna be a link to my Instagram so you can see the pictures that we took today. Go ahead and follow, comment, like, subscribe for the video here, the channel. There's the,
Check this out.
there it is. And yeah, that's it.